Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Helpful, your go-to channel for all things tech support. Today we're diving into the world of troubleshooting with HP LaserJet MFP printers. If you're a technician out in the field or even just a DIY enthusiast looking to fix your printer, this video is for you. Stick around as we unravel some handy tips and tricks. First things first, let's identify some common issues you might encounter with HP LaserJet MFP printers. From paper jams to connectivity problems, these printers can present a variety of challenges. One of the most frequent issues is paper jams caused by debris or misaligned paper trays. Another common problem is connectivity issues, whether it's a wired or wireless connection. Now let's get into some troubleshooting techniques to tackle these issues head on. When dealing with paper jams, always power off the printer and carefully remove the jammed paper. Be sure to check for any torn pieces that might be stuck inside. Additionally, ensure that the paper trays are aligned correctly and that the paper is loaded properly to prevent future jams. For connectivity issues, start by checking the physical connections. Ensure that all cables are securely plugged in and that there are no visible signs of damage. If you're dealing with a wireless connection problem, you can try power cycling both the printer and the router. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. As beyond hardware issues, software problems can also arise with HP LaserJet MFP printers. If you're experiencing print quality issues such as faded prints or streaks, it could be due to outdated drivers or settings. Head over to the HP website and download the latest drivers for your printer model. Additionally, check the print settings to ensure they're optimized for your printing needs. Preventive maintenance is key to keeping your HP LaserJet MFP printer running smoothly. Regularly clean the printer's exterior and interior to remove dust and debris that can affect performance. You can use a soft, dry cloth or compressed air for this task. Also, don't forget to replace any worn-out components, such as toner cartridges or imaging drums, to maintain print quality. And there you have it, folks. Troubleshooting tips and tricks for repairing HP LaserJet MFP printers in the field. See you next time.